How to delete your account on HelloTalk. The first things first is let's just pull up the application right here, the HelloTalk. Now, once you have access to the application, just log in first with your Google account or any account that you linked or connected to HelloTalk. And all you have to do to delete your account is just press or tap on me on the lower right of your screen, and then click on the gear icon right here at the top right corner of your screen, and then press account. Then from here, you'll be able to see delete account. So press on that. So you'll just have to check on this one. I have read and agree, delete account, and delete. Once you have deleted your account with HelloTalk, it will automatically unlink from your Google account or any social media that you have connected to HelloTalk. So that's how you delete your account from HelloTalk.